A bookshop in Berlin sells a book for 10 euros. What is the value added tax?
You must now test paragraph 1, the section 1.
It is a delivery, paragraph 3, section 1. The place of the delivery is paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3, section 6, sentence 1 of the VAT Act.
That means it is subject to value-added tax.
According to paragraph 1, section 1, number 1 of the Value Added Tax Act.